Budgets Made Easy's Cosmetology Appointment Calendar is the Excel program for the business professional. So if you're more than passionate about your craft and you're truly serious about ensuring it's not a hobby, then the Cosmetology Appointment Program is for you. With this program, you'll be able to track your daily appointments, record daily receipts of service income and tips, be encouraged to sell additional services, and you'll have supporting documentation for your year-end tax reporting and have information to create reports that determine the financial success of your business. The ultimate goal of any business is to make a profit. So although you may be timid about discussing the prices of your services, there are 3 steps that you should complete when appointments are made. 1. Advise all customers of the price of the service, especially if there has been a price change. 2. Enthusiastically introduce an additional service and its price. This gives the customer time to think about the benefits of the additional service and be prepared to pay for it at the time of the appointment. And 3. Note the customer's name in the appropriate time slot, the service they will get, the price of the service, and the additional suggested service and its price. The calendar sheets capture daily and monthly amounts. Each month has its own tab. You go to a month by clicking on its tab. I'll give you an example for January 2014. On January 1st, your customer, Jane Doe, called for a 10 a.m. appointment. The service she requested is a shampoo. Its price is $15. And the suggested service is a deep conditioning for $10. Because you have not rendered the services and been paid yet, the totals at the bottom of the page do not reflect these amounts. When Jane pays for the service, enter a P in the cell next to the paid amount. It doesn't matter if you enter a capital or lowercase p. Let's say Jane decided she only wanted a shampoo and that's what she paid. Because Jane was pleased with your work, she gave you a $3 tip. You add 3 in the service line. The totals at the end of the day reflect the paid amounts. Let's suppose Jane thought about the deep conditioning and decided to get this service also. Enter a P in the cell next to the paid amount. The totals at the end of the day reflect the paid amounts, and the monthly total section has been updated. Now let's use the last day of the month for our final example. Jane Doe made a 9 a.m. appointment on January 31st for a shampoo and trim for $30. And a deep conditioning was again suggested for $10. This time, Jane paid for the appointed service and gave a $2 tip, but declined the suggested service. Your totals at the end of the day reflect the paid amounts. And the monthly total section has been updated to include the amounts for this day. So with little effort, you have documented transactions in a professional, business-like manner. At the end of the year, most independent cosmetology professionals file taxes using the Schedule C for sole proprietors. So check out our video for the Budgets Made Easy sole proprietorship product for business budgeting and record keeping. Our web address is www.budgetsmade-ez.com. We are also on Facebook at www.facebook.com/budgetsmade.ez. Thanks for your time.